about to do to you. Bad girl, I think I might get used to you. I might have to take your number when I'm through with you. All I ask of you is try to earn my memory. Make me remember you like you remember me. Bad girl, I think I might get used to you. I might have to take your number when I'm through with you. All I ask of you is try to earn my memory. Make me remember.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Gabe Rivera with Hot Z95. This is the Untitled Gabe Rivera Project. Yeah, still no name for it. Feel free to hit us up on the wall there, facebook.com/HotZ95. Hit us up with your suggestions. However, this is where we bring you the top stories in entertainment. And, of course, keep you updated on what's going on here at Hot Z95. The top 3 stories for this week, starting off with Taylor Swift. Congratulations to her, selling 1.2 million records in its first week of her new album, Red. Congratulations to her. It's the biggest debut since Eminem in 2002, so congratulations to Taylor Swift. Moving on to the Jersey Shore Kids. Snooki and the rest of the gang are teaming up with MTV to air a special, a Hurricane Sandy special, where they're going to clean up Seaside Heights out there. I don't know how they're going to do it when they're always drunk, but hey, at least they're lending a helping hand there. Everybody needs to do all they can to help out with everybody up there in the Northeast affected by the destruction of Hurricane Sandy. Moving on to Miguel. I want to say what up to Miguel, who I interviewed just a couple of days ago. He tweeted a picture of him and Beyonce in the studio. That means brand new music coming from Miguel, which happens to be one of my favorite singers, and Beyonce. What a powerhouse. So look out for that record coming very soon. Again, you can hit us up on our Facebook page, facebook.com/HotZ95 with all your suggestions. And of course, keep it locked to Corpus Christi's #1 hit music station, Hot Z95. Thank you for watching.